And there are students who cannot enroll to their preferred school because the school has certain standard when it comes to uniforms. So, what can UP Babaylan do about it?
Actually, it's a cycle of news that we receive for Babaylanes and more and other LGBTQI organizations. Every enrollment, every graduation season, diba, we receive a lot of discrimination reports towards transgender and gender non-conforming students who are either enrolling or graduating. Currently, at least for my undergrad organization, UP Babaylan, they have, sa UP naman wala namang uniform eh. So that was not an issue. You can wear what you want sa sa may supply. But yeah, we pushed, in UP now, we pushed for a transgender and gender non-conforming guidelines. So we call it the TGNC guidelines. Para even in our digital information, sa enrollment portals, you can enter your leave names and your pronouns para your profs will not misgender you or call you by your dead name. We're also pushing for currently isang UP code for equality and non-discrimination. So that's not just for students but for LGBTQI staff, for all the people, kasi pag sa UP community, like there's other people living inside the UP area. So we're pushing for that, and hopefully, we're hoping na yung ginawa naming code would be applied then sa ibang mga state universities and colleges. And then further on, hopefully kahit sa mga religious colleges and universities, that's the challenging kasi doon rin nagkagaling yung sinasabi mong mga reports, diba? But our argument is that if you're an educational institution, dapat hiwalay na yung mga walang religious belief in how you run your business of education. So we try to communicate that with different, when we try to help the students para makagraduate sila in their long hair and very magandang dress, or the other way around, na yung religious freedoms natin, or para mas madali, your rights end where my rights start. So parang gano'n, if your rights are infringing on my rights, ibig sabihin, doon na yung end ng rights mo. So our rights and freedoms are not hindi siya gano'n ka-absolute, Yun nga, sabi ko, your rights end where my rights starts. So, yun lang po.